This is the setup for the forehead Chris 360. You'll notice that there's 4 cameras surrounding the inspection area with the 4 lights above. Using 4 cameras, we can positively identify containers in any of 360-degree rotation coming down the conveyor. This is the viewpoint of the product from the camera. Notice that the product is oriented front and then back. This is the worst case to identify from a camera's point of view because the barcode of the first product is facing the barcode of the second product. Using 4 cameras equally spaced around the product, we're able to positively identify via the barcode any product in 360-degree orientation. This is the main operator interface panel. You'll notice the 4 camera views showing the full 360-degree view of the product. You'll also notice off to the right-hand side is the Rfid Key Reader that reads the employee badge ID. So for the employee to gain access to the system, they will put their RFID badge up to the RFID reader. The lower Allen Bradley screen will say welcome, and they will have access to whatever level operational screen they are allowed to have. In this image, you'll see a bunch of blue dots. These blue dots are called key points. You'll notice that the key points only show up in areas of interest that have differential contrast, such as the center of the P versus the top of the P. In the large white space or the large gray space, you'll notice that there's no blue dots. This is how key points are used in creating a fingerprint or a thumbprint of the actual product. In the event that the cameras cannot see the barcode, the thumbprint can be used to positively identify the product. In this example, we use 36 different images to create 36 unique thumbprints of the full rotation of the product. When you can see a barcode, barcode will always trump key points. Next, we're going to demonstrate a no-read situation where both the graphics and the barcode has been covered up for the side cameras. When the product is placed in the run stream, it will be rejected by a perfectly timed air blast that will not affect the leading or the trailing cup and only spit out the cup that's having an issue being read. Next, we're going to add 2 more non-readable products to show that 3 consecutive no-reads shuts the line down. Now we're going to insert a mismatch product. The product itself will never be allowed to pass the reject point. It will be rejected as a mismatched product and the line will be shut down and locked out such that a higher level person such as a supervisor has to log in with their RFID key and reset the system, a feature that the operator does not have access to if it's a product mismatch.